In zoning law, a nonconforming use is an existing use of property that conflicts with a new zoning regulation. Although nonconforming uses of property can generally be maintained, they can't be increased or changed. In Town of Belleville versus Parrillo's Incorporated, the court had to decide whether taking a restaurant to Funkytown was an impermissible change to a nonconforming use. Before 1955, Parrillo's had operated a restaurant in Belleville, New Jersey. On January 1, 1955, the town enacted a zoning ordinance that classified the area around Parrillo's as a residential zone. The zone didn't allow restaurants, but because Parrillo's existed before the ordinance became effective, it qualified as a nonconforming use and was allowed to keep operating. The restaurant was open every day. It primarily offered catering services, drink service at one bar, and occasional live music and dancing in an attached dance hall. In 1978, Parrillo's owners renovated their facility and reopened it as a disco nightclub. They removed some tables, added more bars, and switched the lighting to feature psychedelic lights and mirrors. The nightclub was open one day and 3 nights per week for DJ'd disco music and dancing. Catering was no longer offered, and the nightclub served mainly hamburgers and cheeseburgers to club-goers. The nightclub was frequently packed and noisy, leading to complaints from neighboring residents. After reopening, Parrillo's owners applied for a discotheque license from the town. The town denied the application, but Parrillo's kept operating the nightclub anyway. A municipal official then filed charges against Parrillo's for extending its nonconforming use of the premises without approval. A municipal court convicted Parrillo's in a quasi-criminal proceeding and imposed a $250 fine. Parrillo's appealed to the Law Division of the Superior Court. After a trial, the court affirmed the conviction. The court said that changing the business from a restaurant with incidental dancing to a disco nightclub with incidental eating was an impermissible extension of Parrillo's nonconforming use of the premises. Parrillo's then appealed to the Superior Court's Appellate Division. That court reversed the conviction, holding that there hadn't been a substantial change in the nature of Parrillo's use of the premises because both the restaurant and the nightclub offered food, drinks, and music. The town appealed to the New Jersey Supreme Court.